Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage N, the swimmer, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The woman swam through the water, arms pushing out, then pulling back in a practiced motion. The pool was cool, not too hot, not too cold. It was also silent except for the sound of her breathing. The woman's breathing became heavier and her arms tired. She was almost finished. Outside it began to rain and the footpaths became wet. Questions. Where is the woman? How did the woman feel? Had the woman been swimming for a long time? Describe the pool. Had the woman swum before? How do you know that? Now let's check the answers. Where is the woman? The woman is in a swimming pool. It mentions the woman swimming in the first sentence, and in the second sentence it mentions the pool. How did the woman feel? The woman's breathing became heavier and her arms tired. Had the woman been swimming for a long time, and how do you know that? Yes. As we mentioned, the woman's breathing had become heavier and her arms were tired, suggesting she'd swum for a long time. It also states that she was almost finished. Describe the pool. We could say cool. We could say not too hot, not too cold. Or we could also say silent. All of these words are used in the text to describe the pool. Had the woman swum before, and how do you know that? Yes, the woman is swimming with a practiced motion, suggesting that she has swum in the past. Thank you for your time. How did you go?